that's where it finally kind of catches. And then when I rev the engine, it's that high-pitched ticking noise that comes. Now it's really there at the lower revs. My spark plugs and everything are shaking a little bit, but then it starts to die away and it will only come in when the engine's at a higher RPM, like 3.5 to 4,000. 4,000 becomes really consistent.